Ready?
Yes.
Okay. I'll call this meeting to order. It is Tuesday, April 21st, 2026. It's 1:30 p.m. and we're here to talk about the Jean Day Park repairs. And I will turn it over to Commissioner Dose for now.
Okay, I got Larry here to help us with information. Here is the best picture I could get, and may have already shown you this, as we lost the outhouse walls and the toilet and the plumbing. That was a new toilet, unfortunately, that had just been done last fall. So talked to Larry about it. We had some trees down in the park. He said they could handle the trees, but felt like we don't have the manpower or the expertise to plumb and build a new outhouse. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay.
So we probably need to go out and find a builder
Okay.
and or a plumber that can put an outhouse together for us.
Okay.
Because we've got to do something with the plumbing before we turn the water back on in the park, or we're going to have
Okay.
the world's largest drinking fountain / bidet.
Yeah. And I just got email, I think you probably did too, about we got to get the water tested. And we got to have it tested 30 days before the park opens.
Okay.
Now we're not going to make the 30 days. I think last year they just didn't turn the drinking water on until we got the results back.
Okay.
I did call. We used to go through Silver Valley Analytical. Apparently, they don't do it anymore. So we're going through a company called Anatech. I got off the phone with them. I talked to Kathy over there. What's nice about it is their sampling bottles and everything are over at Silver Valley Analytical. Up government goes. So all I got to do is run over there, grab sampling bottle, get the sample, run it back over, put it in the refrigerator, and then they pick it up every Thursday.
Okay.
So, and it's over,
Okay.
they're out of Spokane.
Okay.
We just got to get set up with an account.
Which we were working on this morning.
Okay, I wasn't sure where we were at with that. So I did give Jessica's email to this gal to send the information. So maybe she's already got it or somebody else has
Well,
already got
Stephanie was trying to get that account set up this morning.
it. Okay, I wasn't aware. I was up on the mountain all morning, so.
Okay.
But yeah, we can handle the trees. We just had to wait till the grass dried up.
Okay.
Because we don't want to go traipsing through there with equipment, putting ruts in the park.
Okay.
So, I mean, we're short-handed. I know Danny keeps wanting guys from me, and Matt's by himself in Murray. There's only one guy in Murray now, so he's been down helping Matt. I've been trying to send one guy over to Matt. We're still trying to get the pass open.
We're just a little bit over.
Sometime right around the 1st of May or so, I'll see if I can't get at least 2 guys, and I'll be one of the 2. I'll go over with a mini hoe. We'll cut the trees up, load them into dump trucks, and haul them out. So
Okay.
pick up what we can, big stuff, and then Zach, when he comes back to the park, he can deal with mowing and the leaves and all that. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And what's our opening date for that park?
Last year I think they opened it on the 10th. Is what sticks out in my
Second
mind.
week of May.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
And I think and I don't know if that was early. I think there was some family function. They wanted to do it early. I thought it was always right around Memorial Day, but last year I believe
Yeah.
it was around the 10th. So
Okay.
it might have been a little early last year. If you talk to Jessica or just Stephanie, they might be able to
Okay.
shed more light on that.
Okay.
I did, when I called Kathy before I came here at Anatech, they can have results for us like the next day, it sounded like.
Okay.
So I don't think we'd have to wait the 30 days as long
Okay.
as we have the results.
We know.
We just got to make sure we send them to the DEQ and put them on file.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
So to get the parks open, we're okay. To get this outhouse, and we need to. Can you guys haul off the old one?
yeah, we can haul off.
Haul off the old one.
Okay.
But we do need to find a builder, which I can work on with Stephanie and Jessica, and come up. Do we need 3 bids for an outhouse? What do we need to do?
Depends on the cost.
The amount, yeah.
I mean, I don't know how much work is going into it.
They're pretty rudimentary. I mean, they're basically a wooden frame with metal walls, sheet
Yeah.
metal.
And is that what you wanted to do, is go back with that, or do you want to look at doing a vault toilet?
Well, we've got 2 or 3 others, so probably matching them
Yeah, yeah.
would be the.
Okay,
Okay.
so under 10,000, you guys have the discretion of doing that.
Okay.
It's always best practice, but
I can't, yes.
it's not
Okay.
always easy here to get
Mhm.
3 bids on that kind of stuff, so.
The other thing is for funding it, we had set aside 300 for maintenance, repairs, equipment, and
Mhm.
playground.
Okay.
We haven't touched that, so my proposal would be that you start to use it, starting with this project.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to figure out how to find time to get bids for playgrounds and
Mhm.
that, but that's a different meeting, so we'll talk about that somewhere else. But
Okay.
that's how I propose we pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, definitely need
Yeah.
somebody to build the outhouse and then a plumber if it's not, maybe the guys.
Or Zach might be able to put it. He put the other one in.
Yeah,
He put the last toilet in.
this one's all busted up. I don't know what his expertise. I know he works with a plumber and he said that they could do that end of it.
Mm-hmm.
But you're still talking, he doesn't come back till sometime in May, second week of May, first week
Yeah.
of May,
Yeah, and we got to have it done before then if we
Okay.
can. So
Okay.
but I do know he does work with a plumber. That's what he's doing right now to, get by. So
okay.
Okay.
So if, with permission of the board, I'll we don't need 3 bids.
No, again, it's always best practice to get bids, but you're not required to, as long as the entirety of the project stays under 10,000. If you're gonna hit over 10,000 for the entirety of it, the plumbing and the structure, it may not hurt to just have a couple for backup.
If we
so-
go
Yeah.
to 5,000, I'll be disappointed.
yeah,
Mhm.
I'll be surprised.
Yeah,
Mhm.
which is great. So yeah, you can just. go out
So
and get it.
Okay.
what's the board want me? You want me to go out and
Yep. Go ahead
Yeah.
and
find
figure
3
out.
bids, or do you want me to go out and find somebody that can get it done before May?
Just,
I
would say find somebody.
Yeah, find somebody to get it done before May. Because it needs to be a priority.
Yeah, needs to get done.
Yeah, because I would think before we turn the water on, we need to
Yep.
get that
Yep.
capped, so it's
Yeah.
not.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't turn the water on, test it until, I believe if I remember right, there's a shut off over there that we can shut those off. But my concern is if we turn the water on the way, if we get down into the lower 30s and if we hit 29, what we don't want is our sprinkler system freezing up either,
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
the longer we can wait to turn that on, which I think if we get past this week, we should be in decent shape. But
Okay.
Mother Nature's been kind of weird this year.
Yeah, it has.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's just have a motion that we're going to use those funds to repair that, or do we just let it?
Well, we've already set them
We already-
aside.
We already set it
Yeah,
aside.
we already
Okay.
proved that
Okay.
300,000 for the
Okay.
parks.
And that was specifically
Yeah.
for maintenance
For maintenance.
and playground.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like we were
That'll
going to
work.
buy new lawnmowers and some other things that were all a part of that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Sounds good to me.
All right.
Anything
so
further?
everybody knows what we're doing.
Yep.
Yep.
Anything further? There's nothing further. We're adjourned. Thank you very much.
Thanks for coming over.
Yeah.